In this video, I'll show you how to set up a VPN server on your home router so every device in your house stays protected automatically. We'll be using NordVPN because it's the best VPN for routers, fast, secure, reliable, and works with almost every major router brand. If you want to follow along, check the link in the description to get NordVPN at a great price. Most routers don't let you install a VPN app directly. But the good news is that many of them support manual VPN configuration. This means you can set up NordVPN at the router level, and once it's active, every device connected to your Wi-Fi, phones, laptops, smart TVs, tablets, gaming consoles, everything will automatically use the VPN connection with no extra setup. To set one up, you first need to make sure your router supports VPN configurations. NordVPN works with routers like ASUS, TP-Link, DDWRT, Tomato, OpenWRT, and more. But some routers provided by your internet provider may not support VPN setups. If that happens, you can get a router that already comes pre-configured with NordVPN through flash routers. Let's walk through the setup using a TP-Link router as an example. Open your browser and type in your router's IP address, usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1, then log in with your username and password. Inside the dashboard, go to the Advanced section and open the VPN client settings. Turn on the VPN client feature and save the changes. Then create a new VPN profile. Add a name like NordVPN. Select OpenVPN as the connection type and enter your NordVPN service username and password. These are available in your Nord account under Manual Setup inside the Service Credentials section. Next, download the OpenVPN configuration files from your NordVPN account. You can choose the recommended server or pick a specific location you want. Download either the UDP or TCP file based on your preference. Once you have the file, return to your router page, upload it, and save your settings. After saving, enable the NordVPN connection in your server list. Then, open your device list, click Add, and select the device you want to protect, for example, your Xbox, PlayStation, or Smart TV. Switch its VPN access option to On, and that device will now use your NordVPN connection through the router. Setting up NordVPN on your router is one of the best ways to secure your entire home network with one setup. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and protect every device in your home.